Good morning, everyone. Hi, my name is Kent Jasper Sidoko, and today I would like to delve into the fascinating topic of understanding Rizal in the context of 19th century. Now, and this exploration is very crucial, no, because it sheds light on how the political, economics, and social conditions, no, sa time sa 19th century and Rizal played a very vital role no in shaping our history, in helping us no magina to ang freedom from mananakop, which is the Spaniards. And Rizal figure no nga mo nang, and Rizal himo siyang famous na to nga bayani because of his deeds no para sa Philippines and the contributions no nga iyang gibuhat para mapalaya ang Pilipinas from mananakop ng mga Spaniards. Now, as for John Schumacher, now sabi pa niya in 1991, comprehending this millennium is essential to grasp Rizal enduring significance to the Filipino people and continued relevance of his ideas and ideals. No? To truly appreciate daw why Rizal fought for reforms against the Spaniards and criticized the friars, these are those people no nga that held power no over sa mga commoner, or which is ang mga commoner nga tao sa una, mga Filipino, ginatawag silang Indio no. Wala sila yung power, murag low sila no ang ilahang status sa society that time. We Filipino low ang atong status sa una, unlike sa mga friare nga na sila power over sa mga tao. They have that political power na kaya nila kasi in that time kasi in 19th century, the Philippines kasi dili pa siya same kung unsa ta karon, because Philippines before is it's Philippines is kanang wala siya freedom, and Philippines is ruled by the church no. Ang church sa unang panahon, sila ang nagsilbi as our government no, marag kung unsa ang ilahang mga law, mga rules na ilang ipagawa, so we are intended to comply, the Filipino people as well, tong mga mamamayan. And Filipino people is pinaka-low sila sa pyramid, and taas-taas sa mga friary, ang mga kuan sa simbahan, mga officials no, and muna siya status sa Philippines before. So let's continue. Rizal, a product of 19th century no. To begin, let us consider Rizal himself as a product of 19th century. Would Rizal be an iconic figure we know today if the Philippines context during the 19th century were different? The answer is resounding no. Tama, di ba? Because Rizal life, works, and writing were it's shaped no by unique circumstances of his time. Kay grabe makalisod ang ilang time anang panahon na ang ilahang sitwasyon nila no, ang status sa Philippines that time, and he emerged the right moment, surrounded by the right people, and within a context that necessitated a champion for the nationalism. And also Rizal no contributes very indispensable no nga mga contribution no, because Rizal he harnessed no his skills no, which is si Rizal is writer man si Rizal, and he used that skill niya to help the Philippines no. He harnessed his knowledge and education no for the betterment of Filipino people and Philippines as a whole. He responded to the pressing needs of his era, characterized by the deplorable political and social condition under the Spanish rules no. And it was this condition no, that nagpropelled sa iya to rise against the Spaniards and boldly denounce the inefficiency and injustice and racial discrimination. And that time no, because panghitabo, because of the situation where Rizal is sa Philippines, the status of Philippines, so Rizal responds to the needs of his time. He get himself involved sa propaganda movement, which is the KKK, or the kataas-taasang kagalang-galangang katipunan ng mga anak ng bayan, or mas kilala natin bilang Katipunan or KKK, no? He involved himself sa kaninga propaganda, no, and he actively participated in the propaganda movement, no. It is a group of Filipino reformists advocating for political and social change. Through this movement, he sought to address the political issues plaguing the Philippines under Spanish rule, no. And diha to na to makita tong mga atong mga pambansang bayani, no. Daghan man tag mga bayani, and pero mas pinakasikat si Rizal. Diha nato da sila Andres Bonifacio, sila Juan Luna, sila Jacinto, sila daghan pa. And also Rizal, no, he wrote, no, the El Filibusterismo and Noli Me Tangere para ma-aware pod ang mga kababayan natong Filipino, no, na unsa ang sitwasyon sa Philippines karon, and matagaan sila og awareness, no, kung unsay angay nila buhaton, magpabilin lang basta nga na slaves sa na colonize ani nga mga Spaniards, no, or ato ba ipaglaban ng freedom. So mo nang ginapakita ni Rizal sa iyang books, no. Well, dili man gid siya as in same sa laing bansa, but Philippine now is much better kaysa sa unang panahon, the old Philippines, no. Ang sitwasyon sa una is very lisodjig siya kaayo, and we're very lucky, no, karon nga panahon nga inanita nga panahon gipanganak, we have the freedom na dili na tabutan, wala na tay kuanan, because we are free. Filipinos are free na. And also Rizal, no, fearlessly criticized the Spanish colonial regime and the friars who oppressed the Filipino population, no. His writing exposed corruption, discrimination, and oppressive practices that were rampant in the Philippine society, no. So Rizal act as the critic of colonial abuses, and no, Rizal, however, did not merely bemoan the issue of his day, no. He took the initiative role in addressing them, no. He involved himself in propaganda, no, and he also wrote the those two books nga nahimong a way, no, to convey his message effectively, no. His most famous works nakatong Noli Me Tangere and the El Filibusterismo, no. And through these novels, no, he unveiled the stark political conditions of the Philippines under the oppressive rule of corrupt, no, mga friars and mga inefficient nga mga Spanish officials. And Rizal's willingness to confront this issue, no, head on highlights his dedications to the cause of the true Filipino identity. And gibuhat ni Rizal, no, to fight for our rights, no, para maging free ang Philippines. And also Rizal, no, na siya mga vision of Filipino nations, and we must acknowledge that Rizal's vision of a unified Filipino nation would not have been conceivable, no, without the events of 19th century, no. As C. Wright Mills famously noted, historical success and failures are intrinsically tied to the actions of individuals in their contemporary context, no. It is due to Rizal na we're able to have our freedom, to get back our freedom from the Spaniards, no, nga nag-colonize ato, and together with the heroes nato, mga pambansang bayani, sila Andres Bonifacio and daghan pang lahi-lahi nga mga heroes nga nag-take og action laban sa mananakop, so that nakuha na to tong freedom, and it is due to them nga naging free ta karon, no. And the success of Rizal achievement, no, along with the other Filipino heroes in the pursuit of the independence, was a direct response, no, to the growing desire for justice, equality, and freedom among the Filipino people. The political, economic, and social climate of the 19th century serves as the crucible in which Rizal ideal took shape, no? And Rizal, no, he have a vision, no, for the Filipino na we have uh, to work, no, and affords ang sense na to of national identity among Filipinos, no. He emphasized the need to define what it meant to be Filipino, distinct from Spanish influences, no. Rizal believed in the unifying the diverse Filipino, no, the population transcending regional, ethnic, and social differences. He saw the need for solidarity among Filipinos to achieve independence. And Rizal worked for it, no, para sa atua, and together with the heroes. So in conclusion, no, the independence and democracy we enjoy today in the Philippines are the fruits of the tireless effort of Rizal and his fellow patriots. Rizal responds to the needs of his time and his unwavering commitment to Filipino identity and nationhood are enduring legacies that continue to inspire us. So to truly understand Rizal, no, we must grasp the intricacies of 19th century Philippines that molded him into the iconic figure he is today.